What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays video. So happy to have you here for the 12th video in the series thus far. I trust and hope that you have been enjoying these so far. You can just leave a comment down in the comment section below to let me know what's up and if the series has been helping you. So I just decided to create one more water-based summer style Aqua logo. Seeing that the one from last week never did any justice. I don't really like how it turned out, and I was very experimental in the last one, trying to incorporate some illustration, and I don't think it turned out well, but hey, that's the purpose of this series, to just grow and develop skills and to learn along the way. 10,000 practice 10,000 kicks to master, right? Just like what Bruce Lee said. So it has been a good learning series thus far, and yeah, so as you can see here, I'm just using a few strokes, and then I apply the blend to create that nice curve blur design, somewhat blur design. I also, as you can see, I also started to do two bubbles, and just to lay that down there. That's where they're gonna be, like under the ocean type of vibe. And as you can see here, I'm just adjusting the strokes so that I get a nice smooth bend. And then I made a copy of the original Apple logo shape, size it down using the effects path, offset path from effects panel, so that it doesn't create a new shape. And then I just applied an inner glow to this, and as you can see, I was just messing around with the transparency right there to see which effect works best. Also, I went ahead and copied the shape again to mask out the lines, prevent them from overlapping the Apple logo. And you just bring that to the front, and then make sure every shape is selected, and then just right click mask clipping, hit make clipping mask, and that keeps the blend within the bounds of the Apple logo. So now I'm just messing around with the bubbles to see if I can just quickly get a nice look to them. Just messing around with the gradients right there, ensure that they're set to black and white. Have the black at 0 opacity, and change the blend mode to screen so that it has a nice blurred look at the edges. And also you do the same for the highlight on the bubbles right there. So now I'm just copying these, and right there I was just experimenting to see if I could get like a nice shadow stroke, but that didn't turn out too well. Got rid of it in a bit. Okay, so at that point I decided it wasn't working, made a copy of the original Apple logo, and then I didn't make a copy, just selected and use offset path, because that will make a copy of its own. Added a gradient to the stroke, use the scissors tool to get rid of a part of the stroke, and then just change the blend mode right there. So wrapping up the design, I copied the gradient from the main Apple logo, decided to add a little highlighted stroke effect there to the leaf. And by this time, we're approaching the end of the video. I just made some copies of the other bubbles and just positioned them nicely. And that's it for this week's freestyle tutorial. I trust and hope you are liking the new format of the videos so far. You just let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and stick around for the next Freestyle Mondays. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.